Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you two settings right in your WhatsApp, right? You have to turn them on for better security. Now go and open WhatsApp, right? And then go to the settings, right? And then privacy, tap on that one, scroll down to the very bottom of this page and go for advanced, tap on that one, right? And the two settings that I am talking about are the last two, okay? So the first one is this one, just turn it on, all right? Which says protect IP address in calls, all right? What does this do? It makes it harder for people to infer your location. Calls on this device will be securely relayed through WhatsApp servers. The second one is disable link previews, okay? So to help protect your IP address from being inferred by third-party websites, previews for the links you share in chats will no longer be generated. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel to see more content like this one. See you.